Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Windows build and whether you run 64-bit versus 32-bit PowerShell. This determines compatible modules. Next, open an elevated PowerShell window, run as administrator, and immediately inspect $PS version table to see installed versions. Once done, back up your profile. Copy $profile to a safe folder, because configuration errors are the most common cause of breakage. Make sure to note custom modules and where they live so you can restore them if needed. You now repair the system components that PowerShell relies on. First, run sfc/scano from an elevated prompt to detect corrupted system files. Let it finish and note results. If issues persist, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This repairs the Windows component store and often resolves module loading errors. Once those complete, reinstall or update PowerShell Core or Windows PowerShell depending on your setup. This replaces missing binaries while keeping your backed up profile aside until verification. To finish, reset your profile by renaming the current $profile and restarting PowerShell. This isolates config issues. Then reinstall any problematic modules using install module with force and scope current user so permissions don't block you. Once PowerShell behaves, merge only needed settings from your backup. If something still fails, check the event viewer and capture the exact error messages. When you know the error text, you can search module faults, dependency mismatches, or missing DLLs more effectively and fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.